Hello everyone! Today is Saturday and since wala kaming magawa muna sa bahay, naisipan namin na lumabas dito sa Centro Tuguegarao. Mag 4 PM na and gusto ni Nayal na magpunta sa mall, pero naisipan namin na instead sa mall kami didiretso, maghanap na lang muna kami ng good place dito sa Tuguegarao na hindi pa namin na-visit or napuntahan para mag-foods or mag-meriend. So this time, gusto namin na mag-coffee, so nag-search na kami sa FB ng cafe here in Tuguegarao. So nakita nga namin itong Almira's Cafe located sa Katagaman, Punton Highway. So, noong nakita namin yung picture sa FB, ito pala yung lagi namin nadadaanan na magandang place. And lagi din namin sinasabi na, why not to try next time? So, ayun na nga, nandito na kami. So, let's try. Pasok na tayo guys. So, pagpasok mo, ganito yung place. It's a nice place. Instagrammable yung setting and new ambience and vibe. Welcoming and friendly din ang mga staff nila dito. Hanap muna tayo ng seat and then ito na yung menu nila. So may mga egg drops and ramen noodles. So looking at their prices, I can say na affordable ang mga food and beverages nila dito. Meron din silang noodle selection tulad ng pesto and sardines pasta. So ayan na nga, may hot beverages. So espresso, brewed coffee, cafe latte, Spanish latte. So, ang order ko is Spanish latte since gusto ko lang naman mag-coffee. So, nag-order din sila ng kanilang food. So, ang kinuha nila is, I think, milk tea, matcha milk tea. And si Nayal naman is, gusto lang niya is fries. So, hindi na kami kumuha ng drink niya. So, water lang siya and makishare na lang siya sa milk tea ng father niya. So, pinili namin ditong corner na to kasi mas gusto namin yung nakikita namin yung view outside. So, that's the view. That's your Monopoly. So, may mga board games din sila dito. So, you can borrow them like the Monopoly, the Jenga blocks, and checkers, chessboard. So, you can play with your friends while waiting for your orders and enjoy the moment with your friends. So, eto na nga yung Spanish latte na in-order ko. So, it's cute. And ito naman yung matcha milk tea na order nila, Rovan. So, eto na yung fries, cheese flavor. Spanish lattes, espresso with textured milk and a dose of condensed milk. So, this is a signature drink everyone comes back for. Not too sweet, but just right. So, yummy. Sarap.
It tastes right? Yeah, it tastes good. Like this one, that's the big one. And then I play
So guys, akala ko tapos na kami sa food. So naubos niya yung fries and then nag-order pala sila ng bagong fries because kulang daw ni Nayal yung fries na kinain niya. So ayan na nga, kinakain na niya ulit. So while waiting for him na matapos sa kanyang potato fries, so ayan, itutur ko ulit kayo dito sa may Almira's Cafe since kami lang naman yung naiwan na customer. Ayan, i-video natin ulit yung kabuuan ng cafe. So, ayan na nga, simot sarap na nga yung coffee ko. So, ayan, may terrace pala itong cafe na ito. So, ayan, labas na tayo. So, ayan, medyo fresh air dito. And mahangin dito sa labas. So, maganda din magtambay-tambay dyan. So, this cafe open from 8 AM to 9 PM daily. So, located ito sa Melad Street, Katagaman, Pardo, Tuguegarao City. The cafe building, ito yung building talaga na mapapa-second look ka pag nadaanan mo ito. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, this cafe is aesthetic. Kaya kung certified aesthetic ka, put this on your list. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching and hope you follow this page and like this video, share if you want to. So thank you so much and bye.